how to add receipt to Walmart app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add receipt on your Walmart app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Walmart app. And then once you're in your Walmart app, here you have to tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on purchase history. In purchase history, you have to tap on scanner in the top right corner. Then here, if the Walmart app asks you for the permission, give the permission. And now you can scan your receipt and search your purchases. So you have to tap on start scanning. Here it says scan a receipt or item barcode. Scan Walmart receipts to add them and your rewards to your account, or scan items to search your purchase history. So bring your receipt in front of your camera and scan that receipt, and your receipt will get scanned. If you want to type your barcode manually, you can here tap on type your barcode. Then here enter barcode and then tap on search. And so this is how you can add receipt to your Walmart app. Thanks for watching.